Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Allama Iqbal was born at Sialkot on November 9, 1877. He received his early education from Sialkot. He obtained his master's degree from Government College, Lahore. In 1905, he left to Europe for higher studies. He obtained his PhD in philosophy from Germany. When he came back, he started his legal practice, but his heart was not in it. Most of his time he devoted to poetry, philosophy, and religion. In fact, he had too great sympathy for Muslims of India. He wanted to help them. He started writing national poems. Through poetry, he gave a message to the whole nation. He awakened the Muslims. In 1930, Iqbal presided over the Allahabad session of All India Muslim League. He gave there the idea of Pakistan. He asserted that the only solution of the Indian Muslims was a separate state. This was the first demand of Pakistan, but he did not live to see the new state. He died in 1938. He was buried in Lahore. Every year, Iqbal Day is celebrated to pay him a tribute.